What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the wings from Potensic, and this is a little altitude hold Wi-Fi FPV drone here. And so we're about to try to get this thing in the air. Check it out. It folds out like that. Here is a spot for an SD card, but as far as I understand, you can record everything on the phone. We have to turn on the drone first. The way this thing works is this creates a Wi-Fi hotspot for your phone to connect to. It says UDI RC FPV. That's what we have to look for. So we're connecting to it now. So now let's go back to the app. It says hold throttle. That's what we're gonna hit. I think I was supposed to turn the transmitter on first in order to bind to it. Oh, I just turned the transmitter on, and now we're bound with the transmitter, and we have visual here. So let's see if we can record something. It looks like it's recording. Let's take a picture. Snap the picture. So let's try to take off with this thing now. I'm going to just press this right shoulder button, the one farthest right, and it takes off. And so it's holding this position here. Check it out. It's fighting the wind. The wind is pushing it towards this construction yard here. Check it out. I'm not doing anything. So it's fighting the wind on its own. So let's bring it forward a little bit. Okay, we got it in the middle of the street here, and it's holding this position really nice. Check it out. Really steady hold on the position there. So let's see, we have, I think the speed button is one of these. Let's hit one of these buttons, see what happens. That button didn't do anything. I pressed in the left controller. Okay, so it's the right controller that changes the speed. We're in speed number 1, and we're gonna check it out as far as the pitch and roll angles. And the wind's trying to blow it right into me. So let's look at the roll. That's the roll speed. That's the forward pitch. Kind of tough with the wind out here and all, but it's moving. So let's try to roll. The roll is really slow. Really slow, y'all, on first rate. So we bumped it up to second rate. That's the roll. A little faster. The pitch is a little faster. Can deal with the wind a little better. Okay, so let's look at the yaw. That's the yaw. The yaw is still kind of slow. We're in third rate now. Let's look at the yaw now. Take it up here. So the yaw is a little faster. Let's look at the pitch and roll. This is the roll. And our battery is dying already. That's forward flight. And the FPV footage does look really clean. Hopefully it's recording. I don't have a card in here. And it just landed, guys. It just landed on its own. And you can hear the transmitter does beep to let you know that it has expended the battery. It's at LVC, and it landed on its own. So we're gonna have to come out with this thing again and check it out. Let me see if I can stop the video there. So I hit stop on the video. Let's see if we can get some still capture while it's still up. The camera is. So taking some still captures there. Hopefully it's turning out. Let's see how it looks towards the sun. That's directly into the sun there. And let's get this tree up close a little. Well, it's a little dark. Let's see. Captured that. Another still capture. So that's it. We're gonna check this thing out again. We're gonna come back out with it and see if we can get a longer flight. But for the most part, we have seen just about all that it can do. It does have headless mode though, so we're definitely going to bring it back out, maybe a night flight too. All right, y'all, so we back out here with the Potensic wings, and we're taking it for a night flight this time, and we're going to check out the other features that we missed. And this time we don't even have the transmitter. This time we're out here with this, so we're going to try to fly it with this GXD Singularity. So let's fire this thing up. Actually, we're going to put it on the ground down here. Check out the night lights. So we have to connect to this first of all. So let's save our settings here and let's take off. The Y button is our takeoff button. As you can see, that worked pretty well. And it's holding this position at night, guys. And we're recording too. So let's see, which button did we do headless mode with? I think headless mode is to click in this button here. So we're in headless mode now, should be. Let's check it out. Yep, we're in control of it. Let's go up on the speed. Let's see if we can go up on the speed. We're on high now. Wait a minute. Yeah, we're on high. Okay, let's come out of headless mode because that's confusing me a little. So check it out. We're flying this thing with the Singularity. Doesn't seem to be all the way in high rates. Let's try to get it. Okay, let's try to do the one button land. We're gonna press the A button to land it. And it's landing. So that works. The one button takeoff and the one button landing. And so let's see. This speed seems to only go. Okay, we're in high rates now. Let me see. Okay, so it works a little different. So we're actually gonna have to tap this screen to get it from high to low. So let's take off again with the Y button. So we should be in high rates now. It looks like with the transmitter it goes in into a little bit of a higher rate, because it seems like it's in mid rates. Nevertheless, we do have control of it still. Check it out. Flying it with the sticks here. Let's see if we can do some FPV a little bit. So we're doing some FPV with it. And it's working awesome. So there we are there. So let's look up at it. There we are there. Night lights working. let's try to take a still capture. Okay, so I press that shoulder button there. This one takes a capture. Let's turn that way and do another one. There. So this thing is holding this position really nice at nighttime. Check it out. I'm not doing anything and it's really still, guys. So this thing works pretty well. And I don't think the battery was charged all the way up before, because it seems like it's flying a little longer than it was earlier. Nice. So let's stop our video. Make sure we have it. So I'm curious about that waypoint thing. I think I might try it on a small scale. So let's check that out. Let's see, let's hit that and see what happens. Okay, so we're gonna slide over a little bit. Wow, it went pretty fast. That was a little scary. So let's see if it lets me bring it back again. Yep. So let's see if we do a circle. Wow, so it did a little circle. Let's see if it goes forward and then back. Forward and then back. It got a little confused with that. I had to take control of it. Okay, we're coming out of that mode. Oh, and it's landing. So it landed. We expended the battery. LVC, it just lands automatically. It flashes. And it doesn't take long before it just starts to land. So you guys got to be careful of that. Be mindful of where you're flying it at. I imagine if you're flying over some water and that happens, it's probably goodbye for this thing. But pretty awesome little flyer, Wi-Fi flyer. It's the Potensic wings. Flying it with the JXD Singularity, guys. Thanks for watching.